Hi, my name is Adrian Milag. So today, meron akong good news sa'yo. Okay, I will give you a free gift. Yung may second ebook ko, yung titled The Power of Internet Marketing. Dito sa ebook na to, matututunan mo dito how you can earn 6-digit income using the power of internet. And actually, this is for Filipino internet network marketer. Okay, kasi di ba sa panahon ngayon, isa sa pinaka-fastest way, to market your business is using our technology, which is internet. Okay? Ito na yung nakikita ko na very advanced technology on how you can leverage yourself, your time, your effort, and your money. Tama? So, naisipan ko na gumawa ng ebook, okay? And dito nilagay ko dito yung mga experience ko in internet marketing. So, okay, this ebook is for those people who aspire to use internet in their network marketing business or home-based business. And malalaman mo din dito why the old school network marketing strategy will no longer work. Bakit hindi na siya nag-work sa mga prospect natin ngayon. And I'm not against the old school network marketing strategy because daming natulungan din naman yan, di ba, in the past. But sabi nga, the permanent thing is the word is change. Okay, so marami na kasing nagbabago. So, syempre, yung yung nag-work dati, hindi na nag-work ngayon. Okay? So, I will also teach you how you can perceive as an alpha. Okay? Or a leader. Okay? Sa mata ng mga prospect mo. So, you can attract them on your business. And, dito rin malalaman mo ang isang very powerful law of the universe na ginawa ni Lord. Okay, dito sa law to, ito yung ginagamit ng mga successful na organization at company and even religious, okay, kung bakit sila very successful. So, tuturo ko din sa'yo yung tatlong most important ingredients paano ka pwedeng kumita sa internet. And, I will give you also a free access sa isang online making system kung saan posible ka kumita ng 6-digit income. Yes, possible to. And magkakaroon ka ng free access dito. Okay? So, ang gawin mo lang, just fill up the form below na makikita mo dito. May makikita kang form dyan. I-fill up mo lang yan. Or kung sa YouTube mo na naman to napapanood, okay, sa baba ng video na to, may link ako na nilagay. Just click mo lang yung link na dyan para mapunta ka sa isang page kung saan pwede mong ma-download yung ebook na ginawa ko. So, I hope this ebook makatulong sa iyo at sa iyong business at para magkaroon ka ng financial freedom, okay, para sa family mo. So, this has been Adrian Milag, together towards radical change.